We gaze upon a universe of astonishing beauty and incomprehensible scale. From distant, swirling galaxies to the intricate dance of life on our own planet, the visible world constantly captivates our senses. We marvel at the sheer grandeur laid out before us. Yet, what if the most profound drama, the most significant orchestration, unfolds beyond the limits of our immediate perception? What if the true architects of reality operate just out of sight, their influence constant but elusive? The central premise before us is this: the universe and our world are not merely shaped by what we can see and touch. Instead, they are sculpted by an array of barely perceived forces, ever present yet often forgotten. These are the whispers in the shadows, the unseen currents, and the silent orchestrators of all existence. They define the boundaries of possibility and guide the unfolding of every moment, dictating how things are and how they will be. Consider the forest, a vibrant cathedral of life where ancient trees reach skyward as if in silent prayer. On the surface, it's a tapestry of vibrant flora and teeming fauna, an ecosystem of unparalleled complexity. But the forest's true secret lies hidden beneath the earth in a vast and intricate network. This unseen web binds the entire organism into something far greater than its individual parts. It is a hidden, subterranean intelligence. This network is comprised of mycelial threads, the vegetative part of a fungus, forming a vast, underground communication system. It stretches for miles, connecting trees of different species, even different generations, in a biological internet. Through this silent conduit, trees share vital nutrients, particularly during times of scarcity, ensuring the survival of the weaker among them. They also exchange chemical signals, warning entire groves of impending insect infestations or other dangers. This reveals a profound truth. The forest is not merely a collection of individual organisms. It functions as a single, interconnected entity, demonstrating a level of collaboration we are only just beginning to comprehend. Here, the implied force is the power of hidden collaboration, a silent agreement woven into the very fabric of life. It's a testament to unseen cooperation, driving collective survival and growth. Now, shift your focus to the sprawling metropolis, a concrete jungle pulsating with human ingenuity and endless activity. Buildings pierce the clouds, vehicles surge along intricate arteries, and millions of lives intersect in a daily ballet. Beneath this visible spectacle, however, run invisible currents and potent forces, quietly dictating the pace and direction of the urban machine. They are the true drivers of our modern existence, often unnoticed but profoundly impactful. Algorithms, for instance, are increasingly dictating our choices, from the news we see to the products we buy, subtly steering our attention and shaping our preferences. They learn from our patterns, then reinforce them, creating echo chambers of thought. Economic forces, too, exert immense pressure, shaping individual destinies and directing the flow of resources on a global scale. They create booms and busts, prosperity and hardship, often beyond our direct control. Subtle manipulations of information, disseminated through countless channels, continuously mold our perceptions of reality. These narratives, often crafted with intent, influence public opinion and collective action. These are the hidden hands, the unseen architects of our collective human experience. They operate in the background, their influence undeniable even when their mechanisms remain obscure. They guide the flow of our daily lives, influencing our decisions, our aspirations, and our interactions with the world. We are, in many ways, living within their complex web. Science, in its essence, is humanity's relentless pursuit of understanding the universe, a methodical stripping away of layers of reality. It seeks to illuminate what is dark, to reveal what is hidden. It is through this methodical inquiry that we often stumble upon the most enigmatic forces. Each discovery opens new questions, pushing us further into the unknown. Delve into the quantum realm, and reality itself seems to dissolve into a probabilistic ballet of particles. Here, existence is defined by uncertainty, and matter behaves in ways that defy classical logic. Governing forces within this strange domain are barely graspable, operating on principles that challenge our everyday intuition. Concepts like entanglement and superposition speak to a deeper, stranger order. On the grandest cosmic scale, two entities dominate, yet remain stubbornly unseen: dark matter and dark energy. They are the invisible scaffolding, holding the entire universe together and driving its expansion. Astonishingly, these two enigmatic components constitute over 95% of everything that exists in the cosmos. The stars, planets, and galaxies we observe are merely a small fraction of the true universal composition. Despite their overwhelming presence and profound influence, dark matter and dark energy remain stubbornly hidden from direct observation. They are the universe's greatest secrets, continuing to elude our most advanced instruments. These forces, whether biological, societal, or cosmic, possess a unique character. They are neither malevolent nor benevolent in any human sense of the word. They simply operate. They are indifferent to our desires, our fears, or our moral judgments. Their existence is a fundamental aspect of reality, a truth that transcends human sentiment. Among these hidden influences are the fundamental laws of nature, immutable principles that govern the very fabric of space and time. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces are constant, silent arbiters. There are also the subtle influences of the environment, both natural and artificial, that shape us in ways we rarely acknowledge. Climate, geography, and technological infrastructure all play their part. Finally, there is the complex interplay of human behavior, a dynamic web of motivations, beliefs, and collective actions. These unseen currents of thought and emotion drive societies and individuals alike. These forces have been shaping the tides of history since the dawn of time, influencing the rise and fall of civilizations. Wars, migrations, and technological leaps are often rooted in deeper, less obvious currents. They continue to guide our evolution, both biological and cultural, pushing us forward in ways we seldom comprehend. Adaptation to changing environments, both physical and social, is a constant, subtle process. Ultimately, these hidden forces act as the silent architects of our reality, crafting the stage upon which all life unfolds. Their influence is pervasive, foundational, and continuous. Understanding these hidden forces offers us a profound advantage. It unlocks a deeper appreciation of ourselves and the world we inhabit. It moves us beyond superficial interpretations. To truly comprehend our existence, we must learn to move beyond the surface, beyond the immediate and the obvious. We must cultivate a more nuanced and expansive view of reality. This means embracing the mystery, acknowledging the vast unknown that still surrounds us. True wisdom often begins with recognizing the limits of our knowledge. It also calls for cultivating a sustained sense of wonder, an open curiosity that invites us to look deeper, to question what is presented, and to seek the patterns beneath the chaos. The ultimate message is clear. True power, undeniable beauty, and boundless potential often lie within the hidden and the unseen. They await discovery by those willing to look beyond the veil. The search for these forces, both within ourselves and in the cosmos, is an ongoing journey. It is a quest that promises ever greater insights into the fundamental nature of existence itself.